Hey y'all, I'm Janet here at AFI. Today I'll be explaining how to make a spray and wipe hard surface cleaner that's perfect to use in the kitchen, bathrooms, restaurants, countertops, hotels, really anywhere that light general purpose cleaning is needed. With that being said, let's jump right in. The supplies you'll need include a large glass beaker, gloves and glasses for protection, a mixing device, container for storage. To make 16 ounces of product, you'll need 94.48% or 15.12 ounces of water, 1.01% or 0.16 ounces of Bioturge PAS 8S, 1.69% or 0.27 ounces of Biosoft EC 639, 0.67% or 0.11 ounces of sodium citrate, 0.7% or 0.11 ounces of sodium hydroxide 50% solution, 0.7% or 0.11 ounces of preservative, 0.05% or 2 drops of green dye, optional, 0.7% or 0.11 ounces of fragrance. Out of over 18,000 fragrances here at AFI, I chose lime to use today. So fresh and zesty. I love it. Before we get started, let's make sure we're safe. Put on your protective glasses and gloves. Great, now let's begin. First, mix the water and Bioturge PAS 8S. Next, blend in Biosoft EC 639. Continue mixing and slowly add sodium hydroxide, 50% solution, until pH is between 10 and 11. Then add sodium citrate, fragrance, preservative, and dye if desired. Lastly, blend the mixture until homogeneous. Once uniform, simply transfer into the packaging container. Perfect, now it's ready to be used. This DIY was super easy and only cost us about $2. It can be sold wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for around $8. If you're looking for more cleaning products to pair with this one, check out our DIY dusting spray. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. We hope this tutorial was helpful and we can't wait to see you next time. Bye.